Holy pandemic, Batman! It's October already? Sup, folks? Even though 4 months have passed since I last updated you all, I've made no more progress than about 1 month. In fact, I haven't touched the game since June. So I thought I'd just do a quick update on the state of things and what I've managed to finish and what cool shit I've done. So let's begin. Most of the time, games need UIs, and those UIs need to have a coherent style of some sort of another. So I made this to give myself a sense of what I wanted to do with the visual style of the game. You hear that song playing right now? I made that as an audio style cue for what I want the game to maybe also sound like and add to the vibes. If you were a true fan, you would have seen this on my Instagram account months ago. Link in description. So in essence, I used all of this together to give me a sense of how I want the game's aesthetics to come together. As you might have guessed, the 80s style retro future vibes are something I like. I like it quite a lot actually. So yeah, screw it. Let's make this game fall into that category, and totally not because I wanted to ride on the coattails of some other big game that might or might not come out in the very near future. Anywho, next up is everything else. I'm reading this from my GitHub commits because I legitimately cannot remember. Weapons and ammo management. Yeah, I made 3 different weapons for now, namely a pistol, a shotgun, and a machine gun. Through the game you'd get weapon pickups and you choose whether or not you want to upgrade the weapon or go to a different weapon entirely. I'll see in the future how this scales. Health reduction. Your health now decreases as time goes by. Cough, core mechanic, cough. UI. Oh yeah, look at all those yummy UI elements. Yeah. Much better than the old console looking stuff I had before. Yeah. Motion blur. Oh, hey, look at how good that looks. Oh, nope, never mind, remove it. Pause menu. Yeah, so these don't just come with the game out of the box. You actually have to make them yourself. And here it is. Cool, huh? Yeah. RT shader. Yeah, you like retro shit? Look at that VHS looking game right there. Yeah. Refined weapons. Remember how I said you can upgrade your weapon? Oh, would you look at that? I added a mode called Fire Hose, which is perfectly balanced and doesn't break the game at all. Here's to 5 more months until the next update, and hopefully by then I'd be finished with Grow, the game I'm working on right now, the one that's the subject of all my videos. Yeah.